Find or read reviews that people are talking about RINPIR 42pcs Griddle Accessories Kit for Blackstone. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Most complete 42 pieces flat top grill accessories set. A complete set of flat top grill accessories includes extra wide burger spatula, professional long spatulas, slant edge scraper, horizontal chopper, locking tongs, steak knife, basting cover, rectangle bacon press, kitchen shears. Cleaning pad with handle, squeeze bottles, spice shakers, silicone basting brushes, barbecue skewers, egg rings, corn holders, hanging hooks, portable bag with gift box. Premium high quality stainless steel. Our 42 pieces metal griddle tool set is made of food-grade stainless steel which is rust-resistant and long-lasting. Heavy-duty metal material is tough and will hold up for a long time. All of the griddle utensils are thick enough to prevent bending or cracking. This Griddle Accessories Kit is compatible with Blackstone griddle, Camp Chef flat top grill or any other cast iron griddles for indoor and outdoor cooking. Easy to store and easy to carry. Each griddle tools is easy to clean with hot water and cleaner. It's also dishwasher safe. Hand wash recommended for the cast iron burger press. Please remember to wipe each tools dry before storage and rub some oil on the cast iron to protect it and maintain non-stick and extend its life. Easy to store with coming storage bag to keep all your griddle tools organized and tidy. It's also convenient to carry out for picnic camping or backyard barbecue. Must have for grill master. This complete and versatile Teppanyaki Griddle Accessories Blackstone set includes everything you need to create the perfect outdoor feast and will satisfy all your flat top grill needs. If you are looking for the perfect gift for the barbecue lover, look no further than RINPIR 42 pieces Griddle Spatulas set. An ideal gift for any professional or novice chef, grill master, barbecue lover. Perfect for birthday, anniversary, Father's Day, Christmas, and any other special holidays. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.